Hey Queens, welcome to part 2 of our Versus series. Up next, we have our Yoni Pearls versus our Vagic Sticks. Both are 100% natural and share similar benefits. Both help to tighten, increase natural moisture, and libido. Both are inserted vaginally and have the ability to shed toxins. However, there is no sex during the 9-day detox with your Yoni Pearls because you'll shed toxins for exactly 9 days. On the other hand, if you shed toxins with our Vagic Stick, it'll only last 1 to 2 days, but wait for it to clear up before continuing sexual activity. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.